Hi, my name is Micah Chavez, and this is my video entry number 2. So in this video, I'm trying to describe two equations that are done incorrectly, tell why they're done incorrectly, and show how to do them correctly. The first equation is the square root of x minus 2 plus 5 equals 7. So what the incorrect equation shows is that you subtract the 5 over, so you have the square root of x minus 2 equals 2, which is correct. But then it shows you take your square root of the x minus 2 and just simply divide it by the 2 on the right side. So it shows that x minus 2 equals 2 divided by the square root. Then it shows that you add 2 over from the left side. So you have x equals 2 divided by the square root plus 2. That is incorrect because the correct way to do this would be taking again your initial equation, which is the square root of x minus 2 plus 5 equals 7. They correctly subtracted the 5 over. So they got to the second step right, which is the square root of x minus 2 equals 2. But then what they did is they divided the square root when they should have multiplied both sides by the square root. Not square rooted or divided by the square root, but square rooted both sides. So they should have gotten the square root of x minus 2 squared equals 2 squared. Ended up giving them x minus 2 equals 4. So then that simply would just mean x minus 2, you would add the 2 over to the right side, and you would get x equals 6. Second equation shows sine parenthesis theta minus 2 parenthesis plus 5 equals 7. What they did was they subtracted the 5 over, which is correct. So they had sine parenthesis theta minus 2 parenthesis equals 2. But then what they did incorrect was they took the sine and divided it over. So they have theta minus 2 equals 2 divided by sine. Then they added the 2 over. So they have theta equals 2 divided by sine plus 2. That is incorrect. So the correct way to do this would be sine parenthesis theta minus 2 parenthesis plus 5 equals 7. Again, they did the second step correctly where they subtracted the 5 over. So they would have sine parenthesis theta minus 2 equals 2. And that can't work because that is an undefined equation. Sine can only equal to 1. So dividing the sine over technically is incorrect because there's no further steps you can do from this, leaving the equation undefined.